6 programs at once. That's the exact pattern I keep seeing destroy beginners before they ever get a single conversion. And the wild part? They think the problem is they're not posting enough. Sure, you can make up in numbers what you lack in skills, but not when your volume is split 6 different directions. Here's what's actually happening. You post about a weight loss coffee on Monday, a crypto opportunity on Wednesday, a skincare line on Friday, and by the following week, you've thrown in some digital marketing tool nobody asked about. Your audience is watching all of this, and they're not confused. They've already made a decision. They've decided you're not serious about any of it. Trust doesn't come from one post. It comes from repetition. It comes from somebody seeing you talk about the same thing, the same solution, the same transformation over and over until their brain finally clicks and says, okay, this person actually knows what they're talking about. But that can never happen when you're rotating through 6 different programs like a slot machine. None of them ever get enough airtime to land. You never become the obvious go-to person for anything. You just become background noise. Now, let's talk about the math, because this is where it gets painful. Most affiliate marketers need somewhere around 100 meaningful touches, posts, videos, comments, conversations before they land a single commission. And that's normal. That's fine. The system works if you let it. But if you're splitting those 100 touches across 6 programs, each one gets roughly 17. 17! That's not enough to build trust. That's not enough to build familiarity. That's not enough to build anything. So you get 0 conversions across the board, and you walk away thinking affiliate marketing is broken. It's not broken. Your focus is. Here's what changes when you collapse everything down to one proven offer. Every single post you make starts compounding on the one before it. Every video reinforces the last video. Every comment, every story, every piece of content, it's all stacking in the same direction. Instead of spreading a little bit of energy across 6 things that go nowhere, you're pouring all of it into one thing that actually builds momentum. And that's when results start showing up. Not because you suddenly got better at marketing, because you stopped canceling out your own effort. The people who make real money in this space aren't the ones promoting the most programs. They're the ones who picked one, went all in, and let the repetition do what repetition does. Build trust, create familiarity, and convert. If you're serious about putting all that effort behind one system that actually converts, go to homebizsimple.com and join my free masterclass and see how a done-for-you sales system handles the selling for you while you keep 80 cents of every dollar that comes in. The link's in the description below. Okay? Okay.